I would say today is going to be full of opportunities. And then through momentum, which is what we'll talk about in a bit, suddenly my days became full of opportunities. Hey guys, did you miss me? I just was taking a shower and I had this desire to sit down and create a video, so here we are. Hello my loves, welcome back to the Baby Elephant community. My name is Leora Alexandra. On this channel we talk about the law of attraction, spirituality, self-development, and so much more. I feel like it's been quite a while since I've sat down, especially here, to record a video, but I just had this desire to talk to you and to get this up. I'm gonna edit it real quick, post it tomorrow morning. Before I do, I have an announcement that I haven't had the chance to tell you guys about because I've been gone. On next Wednesday, actually, if you're watching this the day that it's posted, this is going to be next Wednesday, June 26th. Isabel Palacios and I are doing a workshop talk right here in Los Angeles on a beautiful sunny rooftop. Come get together with fellow light workers as we talk about how to take back our infinite power. Isabel and I were just on the phone right now talking about what we're going to talk to you guys about, and we're just like, wow, this is a lot of value. Like, we have a lot that we want to convey to you, and I think that there's only like 5 tickets left. The general admission VIP is completely sold out, but if you want to come see us, it's next Wednesday in Los Angeles, West Hollywood area. I really want to see you guys there. It's going to be Isabel's first live event ever, so I really want it to be really nice for her. I'm excited to do this with her, and we're really excited about raising the vibration of this planet together as all of us get together. It's only 30 people there, so it's super small, super intimate, and we're all gonna vibe off each other's energy. You're gonna learn a lot, so I'd love to see you there. The tickets will be linked down below. Without further ado, I wanna talk to you about intention setting and about momentum today. So I feel like I talk about intention a lot, but I still haven't made a dedicated video to it, and I don't even know if I would consider this one a dedicated intention video. But intention is my favorite way of manifesting. It is the most important new thing I've added into my awareness and little law of attraction toolkit this year, so I do want to pass that on to you. So what is intention? Setting intention is filling your life with meaning, making things more meaningful, having a strong why behind you do things. If you have an intention, if you have a strong why, the universe does the rest on your behalf. You don't have to worry about the how. The why is the most important, and that's what intention setting is. It's creating a why. Now, the way that I set intentions was actually learned through Abraham Hicks, who talked about setting intentions. I believe it was in the Teachings of Abraham, Law of Attraction 101. I believe that's the book that it was from. Segment intending is setting an intention for small parts of your day. Now, this is learning how to manifest and infuse your life with meaning. What that means is whatever you want the outcome to be of a certain situation, you will set the intention of it beforehand, and then you will leave it up to the universe to guide it and make this happen. So the way that you start to segment intend is every morning. This is something I've been teaching and I've been talking about forever. I didn't really recognize that what I'm doing is setting an intention per se, but that's what it is. So every morning I'll wake up and set an intention for the day. Now, before I got an abundance of opportunities in my life, what I would wake up every day is I would say, today is going to be full of opportunities. And then through momentum, which is what we'll talk about in a bit, suddenly my days became full of opportunities. Financial opportunities, social opportunities, all different kinds of fun opportunities. Later on, I changed my daily intention to something like, today is going to be amazing, because I just felt like that was all encompassing and that was a simple way of setting the tone for the day. Now, that's setting a segment for a 24-hour period, let's say, or a 12-hour period. I highly recommend setting intentions for things as small as making your morning cup of coffee or tea. Now, this is the trick of how to manifest through setting intentions. Your intention doesn't have to have anything to do with what you're actually doing. So what you could do is set an intention for your cup of tea. This tea is going to make me super healthy. My intention is for this cup of tea to make me super healthy. Then quietly, in quiet contemplation, make your cup of tea and drink it slowly, and then say, thank you for making me super healthy. That's a segment intention. You've just used one action that has not much to do with what your desired outcome is in order to manifest. This would scientifically be proven as a placebo effect, and you guys, it works. Start to create segment intentions throughout your day by doing things like that. So my biggest secret in segment intending is to do something that raises my vibration, that gets my endorphins flowing, that I get into flow through it, and then setting an intention or beforehand. The best example I can give you is this. I will go to my yoga class, and I used to hate doing hot yoga because it was just so difficult for me. But now I know that challenging things get me much more into my body and into flow. So I will choose a workout, and especially a yoga class, that is very difficult for me so that I can be very much in my body and have my mind on the activity at hand. This gets me into flow. I get on my mat and I think to myself, I take a few deep breaths, and I think my intention is to finish this workout and look amazing because of it. My intention is to feel amazing after this workout. My intention is to complete this workout like a boss and have major differences in my overall appearance, in my overall health because of this workout. Now, what you're doing is not only are you working out your body and making yourself healthier, happier because of the endorphins and everything that's flowing in your body, all the energy movement, you're also amplifying your workout through the intention. Intentions amplify everything that we do. When we infuse things with intention, we get out of the autopilot mind and we get into awareness and consciousness. When I sit down to create a video, I have an intention. I used to write scripts. I don't do scripts anymore, I just speak. But I used to have scripts, and at the top I would write intention. My intention is to teach people this. My intention is to make people feel this. Everything has an intention, and that makes it more meaningful and more powerful. When you set an intention for anything that you do, the universe listens. Now, I wasn't finished with my story about what I do with working out, because this is really where the secret is. So I've segment intended for the workout. Now that that is done, at the end of the workout, I'm feeling accomplished. Energy is flowing, energy is moving around. I'm feeling so good. So my vibration has raised. This is the time where you want to set an intention, use that raised vibration, and ask for something. So I will be laying there in Savasana, and I will be laying there just feeling good, and I will set an intention for something that I want. I want that email to come in. I want that person to text me. I want to receive this much money today. I want this opportunity. I want to eat this. I want to receive this gift. I want to see this person. I want to feel this way. Or if I don't have anything immediately that I would want, I'll say something like, I want to be in flow. I want to be in constant alignment. And that energy, that vibration will get you there, will get you to manifest whatever it is that you desire. This, you guys, is foolproof. Now understand what I mean. When you do this, you will start to manifest immediately. Things are going to come to you so fast. However, there's this thing called momentum. Momentum is what stops so many people from manifesting the things that they want. Whatever stories you've had in the past, you've built up momentum through them. If you have been telling yourself your entire life that you are unlucky, you've built up a ton of momentum. The good news is a positive thought is 1,000 times more powerful than a negative one. That means if you start implementing the thought and the belief system, I am super lucky, if you say it a few times, it already gets rid of months of saying you're unlucky, hundreds of times of saying you're unlucky. So you don't have to spend that many years that you've been saying that you're unlucky undoing that work and rebuilding. It's not going to take that long. However, some sort of momentum does have to occur. So what happens is people start to manifest, they're feeling good, they're like, wow, this is awesome, I have full control over my experience, but then the very next day they're not seeing something, or a week later they're not seeing something, and they're like, you know what, this law of attraction stuff doesn't work. They haven't put in the work to create that momentum. Now, when you create positive momentum, you just have to do this once, and then now you're on a wave, a pendulum of positivity. You're rising upwards, and even if you go downwards, you'll never be as low as you were before. Allow for there to be momentum so that your manifestations can come through. Don't give up because it hasn't come in a month. Everything is coming to you. Everything is already yours. Someone was commenting on the Baby Elephant Facebook group how every desire we have is a pregnancy. It has a due date. You just might not know when that due date is. So as long as you don't give up, no plan B, and you just keep going, you create that momentum, and it's going to start coming to you faster and faster. That's when you enter alignment. And when you enter alignment, the waiting period gets much smaller. That pregnancy, the trimesters become, one trimester, the 3 trimesters. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean. So that's what I wanted to talk to you guys today about. It's intention and momentum. Have these 2 things in your law of attraction toolkit and no one can stop you. You are so powerful. I promise. I know this. I know this to be true. I know this is a fact. By the way, if you can't tell, I'm feeling so much better. And I changed my amulet. I was wearing Cosmic Love since it came out. Manifested incredible, most beautiful man love into my life, but I was feeling a little bit off. So the other day I was like, oh yeah, I can put on the balancing amulet. I haven't worn it in so long. I put it on and you guys, no joke, within 2 hours, I was feeling amazing again. I was back to my emotions being under control, feeling just protected, high vibe, and feeling just really good. Now the reason for that is because I put it on with the intention of balancing my emotions. This is exactly like segment intending. The second reason is because the letters on the amulets have inherent powers and inherent abilities to do what they are meant to do. The third reason is while we create these, I set intentions for all of these and they are sent off to everybody with intention. If you don't have your own amulets, I recommend getting your own if you want one, if you feel called to get one. We have 3 or 4 different kinds right now, so the link will be in the description below for you. Also, I would really, really like to see you next Wednesday, Los Angeles. Come get some of these high vibes from Mama, from Pachamama. All right, I haven't eaten yet today. It's time to eat. I love you guys. Until my next video, I don't know when it's coming, but we'll see. As always, keep your vibrations way, way, way up.